No, I think there are a few issues. Certainly, you need higher processing power in the computing platforms themselves. You need a software architecture that's able to manage, hundreds or thousands of streams, and then you need a management overlay that's really on how you deploy effectively and efficiently, how you can deploy 6,000 cameras in a system, how you can manage those on an ongoing basis to ensure they're functioning properly. This is really where we're seeing convergence in the things that are relatively standard in the computing and telecom and IT industries are becoming ingrained with security management applications. As they become IP-enabled devices, all of these technologies begin to meld together, and that's really the focus for us, is to ensure that we take advantage of those capabilities in a security application, as well as it provides tighter integration into established IT infrastructure. And so that's definitely the trend we're seeing.
Managing video, managing large amounts of video for large amounts of customers, is that an emerging market, as even some of the large corporations maybe tend to begin to outsource management of video surveillance?
And we're definitely seeing instances of that. I mean, that's been a topic of discussion in the industry for some time, and it has been somewhat slow. And I think part of it is due to technology, and part of it is due to operational requirements of end customers who, in some instances, prefer to keep the management of their security internal to the company. But we have examples of monitoring companies who use our products to manage school districts across their entire footprint, or commercial facilities, petrochemical plants. So you're starting to see that, and certainly in a down economy, there is the option of outsourcing, and in many instances it does make sense. So we feel that that certainly is an opportunity for a platform that is scalable and flexible enough to manage thousands of cameras, whether it's on an outsourced basis for third-party customers, or whether it's as an internal command and control center. The functionality is relatively similar. I think there is some uniqueness to managing a lot of segregated customers, but if you have an architecture that supports it, then you're able to address both sides of that market.